My country people, no, that shall never end. Things they happen for this our country. So, Regina Daniels' ex-husband, Senator Ned Nwoko, and Senator Akpabio have started again, guys. I don't know what is going on. According to the information, they say Senator Akpabio and the Senator Senator Ned Nwoko gang up together to attack Senator Natasha allegedly. Because of waiting, say Senator Natasha have always been the one backing Regina Daniel up. My people, make una sit down, make I gist una the updates. According to wetin dey happen na be say, ever since when Regina Daniels and Ned Nwoko take get marital issue, they say Senator Natasha has always secretly advised Regina Daniels, directing her what to do next. When Ned Nwoko take drag Regina Daniel and her family go court, when Ned Nwoko take arrest Regina Daniel brother, una remember say through that process, now the court can't give Regina Daniel order say Regina Daniels no go fit come close to the pikin dem because of waiting, because of the allegation when Ned Nwoko lay against Regina Daniels. Say Regina Daniels say she dey take care Ukpurumiri, my country people. Una understand what they talk about. So because of that one, the court can order Regina Daniels say, before you can come close to your children, you have to go and run tests. You have to go and do tests that will show that you are pure. So, according to the information, they say na Senator Natasha na advise Regina Daniels say make she waka comot for Nigeria, make she go do that test. So now, it's like Ned Nwoko was so angry with Senator Natasha because it be like say the plan when be get for Regina Daniels, it no work. Ever since then, my country people, they said this man, they like to use see Senator Natasha for House of Assembly, my country people. Una no say Ned Nwoko and Senator Akpabio, the Ekwesu of our time, my people, two of them, they be best of friend. When Senator Akpabio invite Regina Daniels, according to the information, they say that man invite Regina Daniels a few weeks ago. They say Regina Daniels refused to answer the man, said, no, I will not be fooled again. You people have done enough. I know that you and Ned Nwoko, two of you are best of friend. So I will not fall for the trap when we say una set wait for her. They say now wetin happen between Regina Daniels and Akpabio and Ned Nwoko, na it be that one. Now, they say it never too long ago, they say waiting Senator Natasha talk for the House of Assembly say, why would they use Regina Daniels children for content? They say children when be say, they let the mother they come close to. Whether Ned Nwoko know how to carry pikin for belle for 9 months, at the end of the day, you don't born the pikin finish. Mwama will tell you say, you not get the right to come close to the children. Whether Senator Ned Nwoko know how that thing they pay person. According to the information, say Senator Natasha can ask Senator Akpabio say, why is it that you people not ever support women? Why not the way they see women as he said they are nothing? They say she can't ask question for inside House of Assembly, my country people. Because of that one, they say any small mistake when we say Senator Natasha will made for that House of Assembly, they will just attack her, my country people. Now, they say little issue now it happened a few days ago. Before you know, they say Senator Natasha need to apologize for what she said just because she decided to stand for the people. Just because she decided to speak for her people, say no, enough is enough. You people have to do the right thing. If now see the protest now that is going on in Nigeria now, now see I say yesterday they were shouting all the name of the senators, calling the different type of name. But when it reaches Senator Natasha, they say now our mama be this, so we not get another one. Now our mama be this, so why? Because she has always been a good senator to our country. She represents our country in a good way. And that is how she always speak for the people that doesn't have voice to speak, the voiceless people. Senator Natasha, she's always there. And that is the reason why those people, they vex for this woman. That is why they vex for her. Now, they can't fight, when they can't order Senator Natasha say she must apologize why she will attack Senator Akpabio. Why she will tell Senator Akpabio say wetin she talk say wetin Senator Akpabio talk say he's not right. Because Senator Natasha na person wey be say if you see who they do bad thing, you know the supporter. He go tell her face to face say what you are doing is not wrong, it's not right. She will let that person know. Now, the court tell Senator Natasha said she need to apologize to Senator Akpabio. If not, they will fire 5M, my country people. According to the information, Senator Natasha said for she to apologize to anybody, she will have to pay that 5M. She no care. They say now wetin dey happen, I be this one. And now, the information wey we dey hear now be say, na Ned Nwoko and Senator Akpabio, now they gang up against Senator Natasha. Because of waiting. Because they say now Senator Natasha, now they always they give updates to Regina Daniels. Now they always let Regina Daniels know say, see what did happen for the House of Assembly. Regina Daniels, she was there before. According to Senator Natasha, she said, Regina Daniels, she was one of them before. She was representing the Anioma Women First Lady. She has been there. So, she is not different, no matter what. After all, the fire of Regina Daniels is still in that place. She and the Ned Nwoko, they might not be married, they might not be together, but Regina Daniels, she is still representing the Anioma women until the day when we say Ned Nwoko will bring another woman come and say, this one, she is not the one that will be representing the Anioma women. That is where Regina Daniels fire will be removed from the House of Assembly. And meanwhile, Ned Nwoko don dey try since then to put Laila in Regina Daniels' shoe, but e no dey work. Na it be the problem. It never work because they say Laila, she don't know anything concerning what they are doing there. Even the Anioma side, they don't still accept Laila up to date, because they say Laila don't know what they are doing in that place. So they never accept her. According to what they say happened, they say Laila even invite some of the women to Abuja for meeting. But why some refuse? Why some say Laila disrespect them? No matter who you are our wife, come to us. Let's address the issue. We have a place where we normally met, even where Regina Daniels was still with us. We have a place where we normally meet ourselves. So why is your own different? What do we call this? Is this pride or what? That is why they refused to answer Laila when Laila invited them to Abuja. But according to the information, they say some of the women, they answer how. Some of the women, they go. Now, not say this our country. Many people hungry man, I full everywhere. So, guys, this matter, I really get as a bill. The way those old men of our time, Ned Nwoko and the Senator Akpabio, they handle, they do like say, without them, we are nothing. They let us, they know say, now they decide. People when be say, now we vote for them, now we campaign for them. People when be say they support for them to reach where they are today. Now they now come later come out, they turn against the people when be say they're supposed to protect. And that is what Senator Natasha, she's fighting against. She said no. If she can stand for Regina Daniels, she can also stand for the rest of the people. Regina Daniels is not the first person that Senator Natasha has always been standing for. Not be she starter. You don't fight, don't stand for the many people before Regina Daniels. So guys, this matter, I don't understand what it really they go on. I just pray say may God continue to protect this woman, so Natasha, and also with Regina Daniels for these people hand, because the kind of plan we be say they get for Regina Daniels, guys, is unbelievable. Because the kind of information when they come out every day, it really shows that those people, they are not ready to give up any moment from now. They are not ready to give up. Anyway, guys, more updates concerning this matter. I beg, Make una let us know for comment below wetin una think concerning this Regina Daniel ex-husband and the Senator Akpabio trying to always attack Senator Natasha in the House of Assembly. If they are right or wrong, it is very important. Make una leave am for the comment below. All my subscribers una do well. All my returning subscribers, God bless you all. I will see you guys next time. Una bye bye yo.